As we move into June, school's out, graduation caps have been tossed in the air, and many families are gearing up for vacations, backyard barbecues, and hopefully a little time to slow down and enjoy the longer days. The markets may not be heading to the beach, but they are entering a season that historically brings a different pace.
So today, let's look at how markets performed in May and early June, what the latest inflation numbers are telling us, and what history suggests about investing during the summer months. Markets continue to build on April's rebound, with the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq moving higher through May, supported by strong corporate earnings and continued enthusiasm around artificial intelligence and technology investments. June, however, has gotten off to a bumpy start due to higher inflation and the continued war in Iran. However, with a ceasefire and eventual deal looking more likely, we may see things settle down in the latter part of the month. Turning to inflation. The latest data showed consumer prices rising 4.2% year over year. This is well above the Fed's long-term target, but it is still below the inflation levels we experienced a few years ago. This continues the Fed's challenge of deciding what to do with the current interest rate environment. Think of inflation like a campfire. A few years ago, the flames were roaring and needed immediate attention. Today, the fire is much smaller, but it is still burning. The Fed's challenge is deciding whether it's safe to step back or if more work is needed to make sure it doesn't flare up again. As a result, most investors expect the Fed to keep rates unchanged at its upcoming meeting and for the foreseeable future.
As for summer, it's worth remembering that historically, markets tend to slow down a bit during the warmer months. That doesn't mean markets always perform poorly. Far from it. But trading volumes often decrease as investors and money managers take vacation, and fewer major economic events are scheduled.
In baseball terms, summer is often the middle innings of the investment year. The excitement of the first pitch is behind us, and we're not quite in the late innings yet. It's usually a time when investors need to focus less on short-term headlines and more on the fundamentals driving long-term performance. As always, my team and I are here to help you navigate all the moving pieces. If you'd like more timely updates, visit our website at orionwealthinc.com and explore the Resource Center, where you'll find helpful insights and easy-to-follow links to some of the firms managing your accounts. And please check us out on social media as well. You can find us on Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook. We're grateful to support you as you work toward your financial goals. Our focus is keeping you disciplined, diversified, and on track. And we're always here to answer questions, provide guidance, and help you see the big picture.
I want to remind you that successful investing is not about reacting to every headline or every market move. It's about remaining focused on your long-term goals and trusting the plan you've built. Thank you for spending a few minutes with us today. We hope you have a wonderful start to summer. Enjoy time with family and friends, and find a chance to slow down and appreciate the season ahead.